Quiz time. What animal is a man's best friend? A. Cat. B. Dog. C. Parrot. Can you tell me what dog breed is in this picture? A. Golden Retriever. B. Husky. C. German Shepherd. Got your answers? Here's some trivia. Did you know that the world's oldest dog was Bluey, an Australian cattle dog who lived to be 29 years and 5 months old? Did you know that dogs can smell about 100,000 times better than humans? Dogs have about 320 million scent receptors in their noses, while humans only have about 6 million. Like and subscribe for more.